Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I have these 2 cups of milk, and I have 1 cup of fresh coconut milk, and I have this 1/3 cup of white sugar, so we put this inside also, and let this one boil in the medium flame. So we just keep on stirring this until the mixture becomes thicker, So now our mixture is boiling. Now we're gonna add our milk powder. It's 1/3 cup of milk powder. Stir this and we just a little bit of vanilla extract, half teaspoon. So you can see this, guys, a bit like lumpy, right? So we change to this whisk, we have to whisk this because we don't want any lumps. We want it to be smooth, So guys, you can see this now it's thicker, right? I have this cornstarch, So what I'm gonna do now is, from the 2 cups of milk earlier, I took 4 tablespoons of milk, and we just mix this one until it becomes smooth and well combined, And what we do is I will pour this one inside, and we're gonna mix this one thoroughly. So you can see this, guys, our mixture is already cooked, The consistency is supposed to be like this. So what I'm gonna do is already off our flame, and we let this one cold, and later on, when it is cold, we're gonna put our last ingredients. So guys, while we're waiting for our mixture to cool down, we have to keep on stirring this, and at the same time it will help us to cool down faster, and also the mixture becomes smoother, So we just keep stirring this until it really cools, Okay guys, our mixture is already cold. I have this 3/4 cups of cooked redbeans. Actually this one is from the tin, and it's soft. So what we do is we just mash this a little bit so that it won't be that big piece. So what we do is we put some inside, and we mix this one. And now we're gonna transfer this one into the container and freeze this, So this is it, guys. My ice cream is ready. So I'm gonna put this one in the freezer for 2 hours, and after that we're gonna continue freezing, So guys, this is after 2 hours of freezing. So what I do now is I'm gonna mix this one again, So now we're gonna cover this and put back this one in the freezer again, Now we put this one in the freezer, yeah? Freeze this for at least 6 hours. So guys, my ice cream is done. I freeze this for 8 hours, and before I scoop this, I put it outside at the room temperature area for at least half an hour to soften a little bit, yeah? So now I'm gonna scoop this one now, yeah? The final, yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.